If you want to enable or disable earthquake alerts on Google Pixel 10, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, we can scroll down in order to find Safety and Emergency. Afterwards, you should be able to find earthquake alerts over here in this place. As you can see, we can enable and disable this option here. However, keep in mind that in some regions, this feature is apparently not working. It is not available. We can tap over here in order to see the list of supported countries. Let's see if we can actually find it. So we can maybe scroll down over here. There we go. So here we have the list of countries where this Android earthquake alert system is active. So as you can see, the list is quite big. And you can of course pause the video in the meantime if you're looking for your country, in case you want to make sure that your country is available over here on this list and this feature is working in your country. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.